Hello friend, welcome to my Laravel 8 Build Complete School Management System software course. This course is not just functional, that you just learn all that functionality but don't have any idea how to implement into the real project. So that is the reason I have built this course for you. From my last 9 years experience, I know where you should start. That is the best course ever I have created on Udemy till now. This is complete project-based course which help you to increase your skill from beginner level to advanced level. You will build 3 different projects by Laravel 8. First, you will build one complete dynamic company website which help you to build a strong foundation of Laravel 8. Then you will learn Laravel latest Jetstream authentication, Jetstream all function and features, and sure you will learn how to create multi-authentication system with Laravel Jetstream, adding professional multiple dashboard template, how to customize user profile, change password option, and much more for user and admin. You will complete this total journey by creating one complete school management system software project, and you will build it from the scratch. Sound is great, right? Well, take a look what we'll create. In this school management system project, there have multiple advanced options like manage user profile, setup management, student management, employee management, student marks management, account management, and also report management. Into the user management, you will learn view user option, create new user role option. In profile management, you will learn user profile all function, change password option, and much more things. In setup management, I have covered student class, student year, student group, how can build student shift option, free category fee amount, exam type option, subject option, assigned subject, and designation. In student management, I have covered how can create student registration option, student class promotion, how can generate role, student registration fee, student monthly fee, student exam fee, everything one by one with live example. Then employee management. Here you will learn how to create employee registration, manage employee salary option, manage employee leave option, manage employee attendance, employee monthly salary, and much more things. In mark management, there have some advanced features like marks entry, how can edit your student marks grade, and much more. Then account management, here you will learn student fee, employee salary management, and other cost. And finally, report management. You will build all reports with PDF format like monthly and yearly profit report, mark sheet report, attendance report, all students report, and generate student ID card and much more advanced functionality. You will learn everything one by one with live example. Also, I have updated this total project source code on GitHub. If you stuck, then you will get every instruction from there. After end of this course, you can add this project in your work portfolio as a university project assignment. Build your confidence in your job interview that you have completed one advanced project like this. Start to build your client project. If you want, you can show off your friends and colleagues by creating one complete professional project with Laravel 8. I always want my student to feel comfortable when making a purchase. That's why I have uploaded multiple free preview videos for you to view anytime. Also, we offer you a 30 days money back guarantee. You have nothing to risk but everything to gain by enrolling in this course today. Now you have all that information. It's time to take action. So, what you are waiting for? Enroll today and I will see you inside the course.